Good morning, class. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to do activity, and today I am going to show you how to make the atomic model. Okay, this is given in your project. So two molecules are given. One is water, another is carbon dioxide. So any one you have to do. So how you will be doing that? I will be showing you this. So our today's topic is how to make how to make atomic model. So we are going to start with water, H2O. Okay, water. This structure of water I've shown you. See, for different elements we use different colors. Okay, for oxygen we are going to use red. Okay, so this is oxygen. With oxygen, two hydrogens are attached in this manner, and these two are the bonds, and here we are having the hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen, for representing hydrogen, we will use this blue color. Okay, blue color balls. So this, so here one, another hydrogen atom. Okay, so this is oxygen, and we can write it here, and these two are hydrogens. Okay, let me rub this. Okay, so this is going to be our model. If I show you here, see, this is just like, you can see this, as we can detach this bonds and the balls. This ball represents one hydrogen atom. So with hydrogen, here we have to use two sticks kind of to represent the bonds. These two are the two bonds, and these two are two hydrogen atoms, and this red one is the oxygen atom. Now, as here to make the model, we are using balls and sticks. So this model is called this method of making the model is called ball and stick method. Okay, so just we will be making the model in this manner. Okay, now how we will make this balls? We can use the ready available balls also, plastic balls, but remember one thing, the colors should be maintained. Okay, for oxygen we are using red color, for oxygen, blue color for hydrogen. Okay, red color for oxygen and blue color for hydrogen. I am showing you. See, here I have two color balls. One is, this is blue and another is red. So you are going to as these two are available at my home, that's why I am using this, but the sizes should be equal. Here you can see these two balls are not having equal size, but which you are going to use, that should be equal size. The sizes should be equal. Okay, So for oxygen we are going to use this red color, or better you use this red color. Okay, this red color, this is actually orange. So orange color we are not going to use, we are using red for oxygen. Okay, this red color should be the color of the oxygen. Okay, not orange. So this, suppose these two are the balls, these two are the atoms, and in between these two you have to make hole and you have to put a stick. Okay, just like if I take this pencil as stick, then we have to put it inside in this manner so that it can get attached properly. Okay, so you have to make hole here in the plastic ball, or if you are using plastic ball, then in this manner you have to do, or you can use newspaper, simply newspaper which is available at your home. So that newspaper we will be, see, this a whole newspaper you are taking, take a whole newspaper and just crush it in this manner. Okay, and now we have to dip it in, you can see the texture is not smooth and all, it's as we have crushed it, so you have to put it in water. Okay, put this newspaper ball in water for few minutes, or you will understand how much time is enough to make it smooth, and then you have to again dry it, and then again you can put another paper on this. Okay, to make it a bigger size of the make the size of the ball bigger, and to make it bigger, and then finally you are going to wrap it with a white paper. Okay, and on that white paper you are going to color it. So for oxygen, as we have already told that red color is should be used for oxygen. So one red color ball you are going to make for oxygen, and in the same manner you are going to make two balls for hydrogen, and that you have to color with blue. Okay, so after coloring this, after coloring the balls, we are going to use sticks. Okay, so this kind of sticks you can use, and you have to wrap it with black color, or you can color it also with black, or you can wrap it with paper and use. Okay, so the structure should be, after making that, the structure should be look like this. Okay, here the red paper ball will be there, and in between these two the stick will act as the bond between hydrogen and oxygen. So the blue color ball should be used for hydrogen, and here again another hydrogen should be attached with this oxygen in the same manner with another stick. So in this manner you are going to make water, the model of water. And finally what we are going to do, on this you can see this in this picture you can see that we have to denote this is which element. Okay, so on oxygen, the paper ball which you have made, on that you have to write the symbol of oxygen. In the same manner, in blue color balls we have to write the symbol of hydrogen, so that it's easily can be understood that this is hydrogen, this is oxygen. Okay, so after making the ball, on the ball you are going to write the symbol of the particular element. For oxygen, on oxygen you are writing the symbol of oxygen. On hydrogen, the blue color balls, you are writing the symbol of hydrogen. Okay, so in this manner, and then after making the model, you are going to take a cardboard paper, this kind of paper you are going to take, okay, a hard paper, and on that you have to place your model. Okay, so here on heading you are writing that model atomic model of, if you are writing the model of, if you are making the model of water, then atomic model of water. So on the, this should be placed after making the model should be placed on a cardboard hard paper. On that, here you have to write atomic model of water. Okay, on the top you have to write atomic model of water, and here you are you are making the, you are denoting the elements also. So in this manner you have to make the model of water. Okay, now if we are choosing carbon dioxide, then how to do that? The same ball and stick method only we are going to use, but the structure of carbon dioxide is bit different. So now we will be showing the model of carbon dioxide, how to make the model of carbon dioxide. Okay, structure of carbon dioxide is CO2, this, okay, one carbon and two oxygens are there, and the colors which we are using, for carbon we will use black color, for oxygen we are using red color. Okay, so this color should be fixed. Now the structure of carbon dioxide is linear. Okay, it's a linear structure, you can see this. Okay, this is carbon, the middle one is carbon, and these two are two oxygens. See, we have used black color ball for carbon, and for oxygen we have used red color ball. Here in the model you can see this is a bend bond. Okay, this is a bend bond, no, it's not a straight bond, but that making that bond is bit difficult. So if you can do, it's fine, otherwise you can use the simple straight bonds also, but remember there will be two bonds for each of oxygen. Okay, so total here we have to use 4 sticks to make the model of carbon dioxide. Okay, you can see 4 bonds are there, 1 2 3 4. So 4 sticks you have to use to make the model of carbon dioxide. See, so see here I have taken one black color ball, this represents carbon, 2 red balls, see 2 red balls, this red balls represents oxygen. Okay, now you can see the holes, so the same kind of hole we have to make in the paper ball. Okay, or if we are using the ready-made plastic balls, then in plastic balls also you have to make the hole. Okay, so in this hole we will be placing the stick. So here you can use the normal straight sticks also, straight sticks you can use, because the bend bond for making the making of bend bond is a bit difficult. So if you can't do that, it's fine. You can use the straight bonds also. Okay, so this, now one end of the stick we are placing in the hole of this carbon, and another we are placing, you can see in this different sides we are having the holes, okay, in the balls. So on another side we are placing the bond. Now another bond we have to place with one end of this oxygen and another end with this carbon. So this is one bond, one fragment of this model. Now another one, another side, the same type of bond we are using, the bend bond we are using. One end we have already put that inside this carbon, and another end we are putting inside the oxygen. You can see another bond, because for each oxygen, as valency of oxygen is 2, so each oxygen, whenever it forms bond and all, forms molecule, it must use 2 bonds. Okay, as oxygen's valency is 2, so there must be 2 bonds. So this is the model of carbon dioxide. Okay, so in the same manner as I have shown for water also, in the same manner we have to crush the paper balls. We are going to crush the paper ball, and then we will be dipping it in water so that it becomes smooth and becomes there should be less space in between, so it will be intact then. Okay, it will be intact. So more papers you can use if you require. In this manner we have to make smooth ball, and then we have to dry it. Okay, after dipping it, so paper balls you have to make, and you have to color it after making the, after getting the dry ball. Okay, you have to color it, and the proper colors, you know, for carbon we are going to use black, and for oxygen red color should be used. So this for carbon dioxide we need 2 red balls, 2 red color balls, and 1 black ball. Okay, and for stick you can use straw also. If you want, you can make the wooden sticks also. You can use wooden sticks also, or if you want you can use straws also. Okay, but the straw should be it should be a thicker one. Okay, a thick one. So and for bend bond, if you want, you can make the sticks bend from the at first you just make it bend it, and then you start doing the making the balls and all. Okay, so that can be used, that you can use. So here also, suppose this is the paper ball. On this, the red paper ball. For oxygen we have to use the red ball, so red paper ball. On that you are making the symbol of oxygen. This is carbon, so this is the carbon. Black ball, on that you have to make the symbol of carbon. Okay, so on black you have to use other colors, different colors, so that it's clearly visible. Or you can use for writing this, you can use those marker pens also, correction pens, or blue color also you can use. So that is up to you, so it must be visible properly. Okay, for oxygen the same manner, this is the red ball, and on that you have to write the symbol of oxygen. Okay, so that it can be understood that this is oxygen, this is carbon, like this. Okay, the same manner this model also you are going to place on a cardboard paper, just like this, just like this kind of cardboard you are using, and here you are placing the your model, and you have to just stick this, okay, paste it, and on top you have to, in the same manner, you have to write atomic model of carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is, it's very easy, just and it's going to be a fun also when you are making this. So try it, do it. Okay, and one thing I want to again tell you all, that no need to uh, worry about how to submit it and all. So you just keep the models ready with you. Afterwards, how to submit and when to submit this, you will be informed in proper time. Okay, so students, here I am ending today's class. You try this, do it at your home, and make it ready within the submission date. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.